how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute squid. It's another version, so let's go into that. It's per request, so let's start right away. I'm going to be going on left line, and I'm going to throw, it's going to go toward the middle. I'm going to pull another line, another arcing line, very similar. And pull a line up there for a top part of the squid. Another line like so. And I am going to draw this round shape for the eye, little arc. Another arc for the eye, but it's on the far side. Tendril. It's essentially like a little soft spike. Tendril. You can draw as many as you want. I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just drew as many as I could just to kind of fill up the area. Smiley face. And I'm going to draw in for the pupil here, the dark side of the dark part of the eye. I'm going to try to leave it open there for just going to leave it open there. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to throw a slightly thicker line on the outside of everything to kind of contain the shapes going on. Yeah. I want that to really resonate and really be kind of very nice to look at. So I want it to look kind of like a sticker in a way. This top part can be pointier. Might add that with the black. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in very thin lines, little patterns, very thin. Try to make them as thin as I can with this marker. Little patterns of shape. You know, they would be colored if we colored it. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was really simple. If you found that extremely simple and easy to do, hopefully you followed along with me. Click that like button and hit that subscribe. And I'm gonna be posting every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so follow along and share the video. That really helps me a lot. Sharing the video ensures that I keep doing them, and I'll, shout out people who comment, because I comment on everything. I reply to every single comment. Before I go though, I'm gonna give you a really quick message from the sponsor that we have on the channel, and it is for the coolest pencil cases ever. And this is the Armadillo pencil case. The pencil case can hold several different items, like pencils, pens, and there's even one large one right here for a marker, like for the ones that I'm using. And the cool thing about this is it's used for mostly maybe when you want something on hand really fast, when you don't want a pencil pouch it's in the pouch and you gotta like scrummage through a lot of stuff. This is for, you use the same 3 or 4 pencils over and over. This is for that, or the same color palette, you use that. And if you go out, you can literally grab this and it goes like a wristband. You can literally go with Velcro to put it on here. It's probably the easiest thing I've ever done, and it's saved me a lot of trouble, like just shoving stuff in my pocket or, a few bags that weren't very good. Another thing is if you don't want to wear it on your wrist, there is a rubber band, a large band on the back of it. And this band can, kind of enable it to wrap around any sketchbook. So you have it kind of around your sketchbook as you're carrying it. I'll demonstrate it next time. And there's even a little magnet in here. So there's a lot of cool little functions to this. It is the coolest thing ever. I think they're under like, I think they're like 20 bucks. There's like a sale right now on the website. So go check that out at arm-adillo.com. This is mine. It's kind of a little dirty. I apologize because this is the one I use, but it's arm-adillo.com, and go check it out. You know, let them know that, you know, I sent you. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.